What's up, guys? Went to the store. Wasn't so stoked on the Prestige box, so I got my Old Faithful. Not expecting much since I got an auto last time, but hey, you never know. I got my dog here, so let's see what we get. What's up, babies? What's up? Wanna say hi to everyone? Come here. Say hi. Oh. Look at the pups. Come here. Look here. You want some beverage? No. I don't know how this is going to work, but we'll roll with it. Oh, thank you. No. Alex Carter, Vince Mail, Owamabe Odigizua. Just pulled his auto last box I did. Brandon Bridge, Matt Forte Purple, Percy Harvin, and Odell Beckham. Hey, get out of there. I swear, you turn your head for 1 second. Don't have a kid, but I'm on my way. Devontae Davis, Brashard Perryman, Anquan Goodley, Jalen Strong, Steve Smith Sr., Robert Woods, and Terrence West. Duke Johnson, TJ Yeldon, Brandon Scherf, Huloe Kaka, Joik Bell, Marquise Lee, and infamous Tom Brady. How you doing? Thick. Yep. Yes, it is. It's thick for a reason. And I didn't even look at it, so we'll be surprised together. Lorenzo Malden, Devin Smith, Dominic Brown, Rod Streeter, Vernon Davis, Alfred Morris. Out of $3.99, Drez Anderson. Or Drez Anderson. I think, hold on 1 second. I can't find it now, but I swear I got like 4 of his cards. I think I'm going to try to do the rainbow of this. It's my first ever trying to do something like that, but I have to double check. I think I got like 4 of his cards that aren't, towards it. So we'll see what we got going on there. Give you an update on that. Clive Walford, Devin Funchess, Michael Dyer, Jeff Hurryman, Purple, Trey Mason, Blake Bortles, and J.J. Watt. Levi Norwood, Marcus Peters, Desmond Lewis, Dante Greenberry, Purple. So a whole bunch of purple, 1 gold. Des Bryant, AJ Green, Greg Olson. But I got a hit, so I don't know. The numbered ones are better than there. Got some more color here. Jalen Collins, Nate Orchard, Jesse James, Alshon Jeffrey, EJ Manuel, and Larry Fitzgerald. Who we got here? Jalen Collins out of $4.99. That's sweet. All right. Get rid of all this stuff. And see what we got here. PJ Williams, Javoris Allen, Eli Harold, TJ Cummings, and nothing crazy, but Marcus Wheaton, relic, not numbered. But like I said, I mean, nothing crazy. Some base purple, a blue, and then a gold at a $3.99. But not stoked, but still nice little stack of cards. Bowman still treat me okay, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.